The typical Northern Lights tour begins at 10:30 p.m. So let's get going. No time to waste.
So we've just been walking down the Alaska Highway and are just crossing Main Street here in Whitehorse. We're heading to meet our group for our Northern Light tour tonight.
From here. Alright.
So we've just arrived to our cabin and everybody's coming in and we're gonna have a little what to do during the viewing of the Aurora lights, I suppose, and then we're all gonna head out and get some great shots, I hope.
Now this is a typical Aurora tour, or a tour company will pick you up at your hotel or meet you at a designated point and bring you about 25 minutes away from the city light. The price range between $100 to $200, and most of them will have a cabin like this and a campfire with free snacks and drinks, and most of them will even provide you marshmallows for you to make your own s'mores. Now I do have to mention that this tour we are on are partially sponsored by Northern Tales. The Northern Lights are beautiful dancing waves of light that have captivated people for millennia. The Cree First Nation believed that Aurora was part of life's circle and was the spirit of the dead who remained in the sky but apart from their loved ones. These lights were spirit of the departed friends and relatives trying to communicate with those they had left behind on Earth. The First Nation tribe in Yukon also believe these lights are spirits from people who have passed on in a bad way or in a hard way. Therefore, their spirits get lonely, so they could come down and take you if you look at them or you draw attention. Although these are legends, this spectacular light show is indeed a violent event. The energized particle from the sun's solar wind slam into Earth's upper atmosphere at a speed up to 72 million kilometers per hour, resulting in emitting light of various colors and complexity. Hence, our planet's magnetic field protects us from the onslaught. Now, let me spill some beans here. Seeing the Northern Light is a matter of luck. The chances are pretty good between November to March on most nights. You also need to be super lucky on a super clear night to see something like this with your naked eyes. Now, I'm going to brag that I did capture these footages by myself, but with a long exposure on a tripod with a very fast lens on a mirrorless camera. For those of you who use a smartphone, they got you covered.
So if you didn't travel with a tripod, don't worry. They have them for guests to use, which is awesome.
Most tour operators like the Northern Tales has knowledgeable staff that can help you adjust the camera setting for that perfect shot. However, many also offer to take photos for you on their professional mirrorless cameras and send it to you at no cost. I think Sarah's having too much fun on these photos. Most tours ends at 2:30 a.m. and definitely it's time to head back to get some sleep. We got early morning tomorrow.